Hey, how's it going, everyone? I want to go over a chart with you guys on RAIL as Rail had an amazing day today. And I wanted to go over a chart with you guys on them in particular because it looks like they do have a resistance that they are going to be trying to break soon. And if they do break this resistance, in my opinion, we could see a huge gap up. I'm going to show you guys exactly which resistance that is. And I'm going to show you guys an exact analysis on which indicators we are going to be looking out for on a possible breakout going into Monday and exactly which alerts I will be setting. So that way, if it does break out, we won't miss out on it. But again, I do appreciate all the love you guys have been showing me in the comment section as always. Much love to you guys. And if you guys have not subscribed, we do go out Monday through Friday on entries and breakouts. So definitely subscribe if you guys want to see more entries and breakouts and alerts that we do set for every stock. So that way you guys do not miss out on them. So again, Rail has had a crazy run up in the last few weeks. We have seen quite the run up, and a lot of people are wondering if we're going to break this key resistance here around 951. And the reason why I say 951 is because you can see on the VPVR, this is the volume profile. This is the most amount of volume that was traded within that stock's time period, and we do have a very key volume point that we do want to break over at 951. And if that does happen going into next week, we could possibly see a huge gap up from this huge sell-off that we saw previously. So if that does happen, we would go to around 1344. In my opinion, we probably would see a huge 40 to 50% play from there. If we did break over 950 with the volume that we are looking for, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But however, like I said, we have this huge gap down that we did have previously. And if we do break into 951 with volume, we will have a gap up from that huge gap down and a recovery and a possible breakout going into 1344, like I said. And we will have a huge resistance at 1344, as this is where we previously did consolidate multiple times and we did get rejected and had a huge sell off from that very point. So again, Rail will be on the watch. I'm going to show you guys exactly what we're going to be looking out for here. So on Rail, this is the 4 hour. We're going to be looking out for this volume point right here. If we can reach this volume point that we did previously, in my opinion, we could see that huge run up going into 1344. I'm going to show you guys on the MACD exactly what we're going to be alerting here. So that way, if it does break out, we won't miss out on this one. I'm going to go over the buy pressure here. So I'm going to put a buy pressure point right above our previous buy pressure point here, because this is a very key buy pressure point, as it was running at this point. And we do have a decrease in buy pressure towards the end of the day. But however, we do see solid green lines coming in. We could see a reversal here and a continuation on Rail, which is what we're going to be looking out for. Now, we do want to break above our previous buy pressure point to give us more bullish confirmation to break out into that $9.51 mark that we're looking for. So again, the MACD is the very key alert that I will be setting, like I said, right above our previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break into that, in my opinion, in fact, I put it a little closer. So that way, if it does break into that, we do catch this a little earlier. But on the MACD, we are going to set that alert. You can see overall that we are oversold on the RSI, which is fine. We could still keep running. We have seen stocks continuing on. You can see we're oversold right here at this point, and we continued on with being oversold even more multiple times, with it continuing throughout the last few weeks. So like I said, in my opinion, even though it's oversold, it's not a big deal. We do need that buy pressure to be coming in, which it looks like we are going to try to get that buy pressure coming in. We have an attempt that is coming in. But however, if we do create a white shaded line coming in on Monday or Tuesday, we could possibly see a sell off going into sell pressure and then possibly trying to reverse from there. So again, we are going to see if it can break over 951. I also will have a 951 alert just in case it does break into 951 for any reason without buy pressure. We will be looking into it as well for the volume. So again, I do appreciate all the love you guys been showing me in the comment section. I hope you guys been enjoying our entries and breakouts. And if you guys do have a watch list, tickers, questions, throw in the comment section. I love talking to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.